typewriter is not just another machine which was created and forgotten. A typewriter is one of the most important creations of the 19th century. A typewriter is like jazz. You have to see it, hear the sound of the keys, and appreciate all the mechanics improvising your thought process. We have a Brother Deluxe 250TR typewriter made in Japan. It's been in our house for almost 50 years now. Since childhood, I've seen my dad using it a few times. In fact, he wrote his PhD thesis in this typewriter. Although it was there right in front of me, it never grew on me until I started to take writing seriously. And I don't think it's just nostalgia, it's more practical than that. Right from the time you insert the paper on the typewriter, the sound itself makes you realize that it's time to think. You look at the empty page and you let the ideas construct within your mind. Once you've got it, you hold on to it, structure your sentences properly, and then you finally start typing. While typing, the coordination of your brain and fingers is more demanding than ever. It's like body rich with drums. Once it's written, it's imprinted on the paper forever. If you don't like it, you can cut it, but you cannot remove it.
Well, the dated typewriter has its merit to talk about. In fact, it's my old typewriter that gives me more freedom. I can type a content without interference from the buzzing machine. A computer has many features like backspace, copy, cut, paste, and spell check, etc. But these hampers my personal ability. You wait for the computer to repair your fault. When on my typewriter, I have to be more competent, more organized about what I write, how I write, etc.
It doesn't matter if you're using the typewriter for the first time or it's been 50 years. It doesn't matter if you're using it for recognizing your grammatical errors, constructing better sentences, or for your unfinished book. Or maybe it's just another ride through nostalgia. It doesn't matter. The typewriter will always make your experience a memorable one.